Here's another one done from a photograph I took the weekend. As before, I took a series of photographs as I painted this one, so you'll be able to see that like a photo guide on my Patreon page. Same as yesterday, I've added some shadows. I'm not quite sure if I've made it worse. They weren't in the original, dull days, although you can just about see the snow there in the picture. But something, maybe just something a bit more subtle right at the bottom might have worked better. I've got to work on that. Do the obvious thing, got the figures, just push the figure right back, just change to a little man and his dog. And added a little bit more colour than what's in the reference. So if you want to see that photo tutorial, just go over to patreon.com/Stephen Crone. You'll see the link in the description. So thanks always for watching, and I'll see you again soon.